Hygienist's #1 favorite procedure for Isolite? Sealants. In our office, 4 sealants in 5 minutes. 8 sealants in just a little bit longer, 6 or 7 or 8 minutes. It's amazing how great this works. You can do the entire mouth with one Isolite. Upper and lower left, upper and lower right. You'll get almost virtually 100% retention because the mouth stays so dry. So let's look into Isolite and sealants. What we're doing right now is 8 sealants in about 5 or 6 minutes. If we were doing 4 sealants, we'd do it in under 5 minutes. But with the additional curing time that we're going to need, it'll probably be 5 to 6 minutes to do the 8 sealants. We're going to be doing the first and second year molars on our patient here. So open real wide for me. Put the Isolite in, slips in all of about 3 or 4 seconds, and just have her close down on that. Good. Now, simultaneously, we're going to be aspirating the upper and the lower arches at the same time. We're using the cheek retractor so the camera can get a better view. Okay, so here we go. Let's start our timer now. And go. We're going to etch number 19. We're going to etch number 18. We're going to etch number 14. And we're going to etch number 15. Brush that into place. Start our timer for 30 seconds. And that is a good view for all the teeth being etched at the same time. There is number 15, there is number 14, there is number 18, and there is number 19. Sealants truly become a single-handed procedure that an assistant, hygienist, or even a dentist can do. But it does speed things up a bit when my assistant hands me my instruments and materials. We've now been 30 seconds on the etch, and notice how the Isolite efficiently evacuates the phosphoric acid without it contacting the tissue. And there's no additional suction needed at all. Got everything etched and nice and dry. We're going to apply the sealant material to the lower arch first. Dentalcompare is supplied to the lower arch and cured. Dentalcompare is now applied to the maxillary teeth. The left-hand side is now about 8 seconds away from being totally completed. And the trick to this procedure is now switching sides. We want to make sure the patient does not close. Open real wide for me. Because if you close it tastes really yucky, then you want to rinse out again. So we just switch it right on over. And you can see just how easily the Isolite switches from one side to the other. Close down and rest. There's 2, there's 3, 31, and 30. You can see how efficiently the etch is all evacuated. You see the nice frosted appearance of the teeth. 8 sealants in 6-7 minutes. I don't know what our actual time was on that. Okay. But we're done. Okay. We're going to compare and contrast right now to cotton roll isolation, what we have to do. And with cotton rolls, I would just be able to do one quadrant at the same time. And we have triangles in there. Just look at all the moisture contamination way back there. You're going to have a high-speed evacuator and cotton rolls, and the lighting itself is just tough. They're going to have to be like that. My assistant will absolutely have to help me. Now, you know, we're fighting. I mean, I'm fighting cotton rolls and cheek, and even if I make it real equal with using this, you can see I can really only do these two teeth at the same time with my assistant in the way, and it's just a lot more cumbersome. So you just kind of compare that. Then I'm done with theirs. Then I got to go up to the upper. Then I got to take out all the cotton rolls and rinse her out and move to the other side. It's just that much harder.